What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning Kim folks, what's up? You guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side to keep up with your girl and join the family. Now let's go ahead and get into this look. As you guys can see, I have started off with using the NYX Face Glue gripping primer. You guys, I got this from Walmart. It's new, so I wanted to try it out. After applying the primer, I did go in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation in the shade Dark 157W, and of course I will be having all of these products listed in the description box down below, and also I will have my LTK link posted so that you guys can have access to these products with just one click. Okay, so I did have to use two concealers. The first concealer that I used was the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Golden. I used that in my inner corner closer to my eyes just because I wanted it to be a lighter, and also went in with the L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the shade 410 Almond for my outer corners, just because it is a little bit more of a golden type of shade, obviously, hence the name, but it's a little darker, so it gives a more, I want to say, natural looking complexion. And I kind of like for my highlight to kind of like gradually, like, not be too much, you know what I'm saying? So that's why we are using two concealers today. Now I do like to go in with my Morphe prepping and setting mist before I blend out my concealer, just because once I blend out that concealer, I want it to be locked in that area. And I don't know, it's just something about this step that just adds everything that I need. That just adds that extra layer of protection that I need for my makeup. Or I guess I don't need it, but I like it. You know what I'm saying? I like the reassurance. And I feel like making sure you are sprayed down, everything is setting, you are in good shape if you can do that. You know what I'm saying? Now, you guys, as I am blending out my concealer, I do want to let you know that this takes time. Okay, take your time to blend out your concealer. It literally is going to just change your life, whether you do it with a brush or a beauty blender. Just take your time and just make sure everything is really blending and seamless and just looking how you need it to look. If you are using a brush, make sure that you are using tapping motions. Okay, we are not swiping, we are not doing any of that. We are simply just tapping so that everything just kind of buffs into the skin and just looks seamless, looks like skin, you know what I'm saying? So that's all that we got going on right here. You guys don't have to add concealer to all of the places that I've added concealer. Just stop wherever you want. Most people just do under the eyes a little bit. I'm extra, okay? Probably will always be a little extra. I add concealer everywhere because every now and again I like to, you know, look like I glisten, you know, like, I don't know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, you guys, yeah, you do not have to add concealer everywhere that I have added concealer, but if you do, make sure you just take your time to blend it out, no matter how much concealer you've put on your face. Now, to set my concealer, I'm going to go in with Patrick Starr's OS Pink Powder. You guys, I really want to go and try more shades of this setting powder, so I am going to try to get into the store to grab that. But in the meantime, this is still my jam, pink and all. You guys, I like to use this powder to go ahead and make sure that all the places that I applied my concealer are setting. Okay, so I don't even know like what that little blender thing is called. I don't know, the little sponge. I've got it off of Amazon, so I will have to like link that in the description box down below for you guys. But I just use that to make sure that I am patting that powder in, that pressed powder in. I don't bake or anything like that, so I just like to make sure I am kind of like patting and blending the best that I can, and just making sure that product is really packed in there so that my concealer does not move no matter what. Okay. Okay, now you guys know I typically stick with my Fenty bronzer, okay, but use kind of, it's almost kind of like a dupe. I feel like they have the same type of consistency. I don't know, somebody else might say that I'm wrong. I don't know, but I kind of like the buttery feeling of both products. So this one is really, really good. This is the NYX Buttermelt Bronzer in the shade Butter Off. This right here is the bomb.com. I am just using a brush to dip that into, am I dipping? Yeah, to dip that into the bronzer, and then I am just patting that into my skin. Now, I don't like to use too much because too much will have you looking crazy, so make sure that you are you know, just dumping any of the excess before you go and apply your bronzer to your face. And you don't have to add bronzer every place that I am adding bronzer, because remember y'all, I'm a little extra, okay? But I like to add bronzer to my cheekbones, my nose, and around my face, just to warm it up and add some dimension, because you know, after putting foundation on it, it's kind of flattened out, and then concealer, now I look like I'm getting somewhere. But you know, we need the bronzer to just bring the entire look together, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and bronze the face up, warm it up. Do this to your face structure and what you like and where you are at with things, okay? And yeah, I don't know y'all, like I said, I'm extra, but after I am done with my face, like, you know, the foundation and all of that, I like to go back in with that Morphe setting mist just to set right there, because I feel like all of this needs to be held. Let's hold it. Let's keep it set. All right. While we go ahead and get into the eyes. So now for the eyeshadow, I am dipping into my Morphe 35A Up Till Dawn Artistry palette. You guys, I had to trust the process. Okay. One thing about me, and I really need to start doing, is swatching these eyeshadow palettes. No, I just look at them and I say, oh, that looks like that goes together. I like it. Let's try it. Okay. No, but we're gonna trust the process. Okay, so first shade that I started off with is the shade Morning Glory. You guys, it is like that pinky shade. I thought it was going to be like a good transition shade. No, it's a good full eyelid shade. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say. But again, we are trusting the process. All right. But after the shade Morning Glory, I went in with the shade Private Suite, and I just wanted to add that underneath my brow bone. I have no idea what I was thinking when I dipped my brush into this like a white shade. It's actually the shade Cloudfall. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, okay, well maybe it would kind of like give like a pinky cloudy effect. That's what I was going for. I don't know if I succeeded at that, but that's what I was going for. But y'all, I'm trying to stick with like more natural everyday looks. And I don't know, I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and into my creative zone, you know what I'm saying? But this white had me like, oh my god, but we're still trusting the process. It's good. But this next shade that I ended up using that I thought was gonna seal the deal on this eyeshadow, I don't know, y'all gonna have to let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, I ended up using the shade Spicy Hot. Now when I put it on, I said, oh god, y'all, oh god, this don't go with pink. It don't go with pink. But then I was like, let me just go ahead and blend it out. And I blended it out, and y'all, it actually looked okay. It looked okay. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. I did feel like, since you know that shade Spicy Hot blended very well going into the pink, that I should just use it underneath my eye to like seal the deal, because y'all know I am a firm believer in wearing eyeshadow underneath the eye to just seal the deal on any eyeshadow look, you know what I'm saying? But you guys, it actually worked out for me. Okay, trusting the process actually worked out for your girl. Now for the eyeliner, I like to go in with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Y'all know I'm no pro at putting eyeliner on camera, so y'all are gonna have to bear with me. I literally tried my best, and I actually ended up getting liquid eyeliner in my eye. Thought I was gonna have to do away with the whole look. It would have been tragic. But anyway, you guys, yeah. Now for the mascara, we are going to be using the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick mascara. You guys, I almost hella poked my eye out with this mascara a couple of times, y'all. I really like it. However, me and mascara, we trying to get along. I mean, it looks like I be putting it on very perfect and nicely here, y'all, but I be messing it up, okay? I be having to take a break, blow my eye a little bit. Well, not blow, but you know how you like try to add wind to your eye and stuff like that to get it to calm down. That be me, okay, with eyeliner and mascara. So don't think I'm a pro over here, because I be about getting ready to die. But okay, and I really need to stop doing this, but you guys, I am always literally using a brown eyeliner, and I say eyeliner as a lip liner pencil. I need to stop, okay? And I will. I think I just purchased a brown lip liner pencil from the hair store. We'll be introducing that to the channel later. But anyways, you guys, for right now, we are going to go in with this brown eyeliner pencil. I have no idea who it's from, because of course the name has rubbed off, okay? But we are just going to go ahead and apply that to the lips. Now for the lipstick, we have been in love with Honey Love matte lipstick by MAC Cosmetics, so that is what we're using, and I just topped that off with a little bit. Now as for the blush, we are going to be using the NYX Buttermelt blush in the shade Butter with Time. This product right here, less is plenty, okay? Don't do too much on the brush, and then you want to pat and pack it into your skin and then blend, doing soft swiping motions, okay? Just to make sure everything is blending and looking seamless and stuff, and you don't want to do too much, okay? But you guys know that I'm extra, so of course I added it to my cheeks and my nose, because who gonna stop me, boo? Who gonna check me, okay? Now for the highlighter, I have been using this one like crazy these days, but I am using the Maybelline Chrome 100 Molten Gold, or Chrome highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. I like it because it is a very subtle highlight. It doesn't do too much. It's very nice and easy to use. Again, with this one, a little bit goes a long way, and the best part about it, most of all, is it's affordable, okay? So you can get this Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid. You can get it wherever, okay? So shout out to Maybelline for being that girl in all these stores, okay? Hold it down. Y'all know I'm gonna be extra, so of course I've added it to the bridge of my nose, both of my cheekbones, and my chin. I just kind of like everything to just really pop and highlight and just do its thing. So not too much on your girl, but a whole lot on your girl. I don't know. And of course we have to spray the face down one last time, one more good time, okay? But anyways, you guys, this is the look. I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with your girl. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. May peace and love be multiplied. Peace out, Kim folks. Like that, you